What's going on, y'all? It's your boy, Mr. T-Shirt, back with another one. I got a package in the mail today. Wasn't sure who it was from. I get packages from all over all the time. And I flipped the box over, and who other than Econotransfer. All right, so I definitely knew that I had to make a video based on what was sent to me. Now, I was excited, and I peeked in the box before I made this video. Sorry, guys. I'll wait for you guys next time. But the excitement had me going. But as I opened the box, I got a personalized letter from James, okay, over at Econotransfer. Says, Tavin, appreciate you for reaching out to us. We sent you some of each of the product that you had requested and are excited to work with you. Talk soon. Best regards, James. Now, I requested these so I can try them out on video with you guys, okay? Not only did they send me a good amount, as you can see, they sent me 20-inch rolls, okay? Now, I'm gonna go over all these rolls individually in a second, but I want you guys to see that. I don't want you guys to see this one because that's a secret. That's a special roll. I'm gonna save that one to the end, so you guys have no choice but to watch, okay? All of these rolls that they sent are 20-inch rolls, okay? So, with a good amount of vinyl. I don't know why I just put those back in the box, but you know what? I'm gonna go over each of these individually. I requested some glow in the dark because I was curious to see how much it would actually glow once enough light was projected onto it, how much light it needs to actually glow. All right, and I wanted to feel the quality on the shirt once it's applied to the t-shirt. All right, so that's glow in the dark. Then next, we have a red. This is your red puff vinyl. Again, a nice amount. I've only worked with the white puff vinyl, so I'll try a different couple colors. Red and looks like a purplish bluish here. Again, another 20-inch rolls, both 20-inch rolls, and quite enough vinyl to make a few t-shirts. All right, so again, shout out to Econotransfer so far on the quantity of what they're sending out. And another specialty vinyl, their reflective vinyl. It looks gray on the regular gray on the inside, but once you apply it and the light hits it a certain way, it does reflect. And last but not least, I asked them to include in the sample box for me some Econo, what they call it? They call it Econo, there you go. Econo inkjet printable vinyl. Okay, so this can actually go into the printer. You can print your image onto it, cut it out, and apply it to your garment. And we have a business card in here from my buddy James, our business development manager, and there's, I believe, a decal, which I'll stick on my desk. Thanks again, James, for that. And now let's get to the fun part. Let's test out one of these vinyls. Now, the vinyl, like I said, I'm going to be testing out is the glow in the dark. For those of you that have never used it, I've never used it. I've worked with glow in the dark thread for embroidery projects, but never glow in the dark vinyl. Definitely something I want to work into my catalog for custom orders for my customers. All right, so let's check this out. All right, so just gonna put I'm just gonna put our shirt on here, and we're using a Bella Canvas, of course, 3001. Pre-press. We got our design already cut out. I'm just gonna place it and down a little bit. And I think I can see this glowing already, believe it or not. You guys might not be able to see it, but just grab my ruler, make sure I'm dead center. Yeah. Okay. Sent it there. I'm gonna press at 300 degrees for 10 seconds. And this is gonna be a cool peel. And make sure you guys don't go anywhere, because remember, I have that special vinyl roll that I didn't take out the box that I wanted to show you guys. All right, so that's 10 seconds. I'm just gonna shut off the press. Now, for those of you that don't know, a quick way to cool down your vinyl, just take it and rub it against something that's cold, your desk. Usually helps the process speed up the process of having to wait for a cold peel. All right, so I think that's good enough there. We're just gonna peel it. All right, we're gonna keep it right there. Right there for you guys. And now I'm gonna turn off the lights. So let's turn off the camera light. Bang. There we go. There we have it. I'll take the camera off the tripod so you guys can see a closer view. Oops, just walked into it. Now, if that's not bright, and that was only exposed to light since I took it out the box not too long ago, and it's been sitting here. But the funny thing is, if I go over here to the roll and show you guys how bright this roll is, it's like a light. This is like a saber, a Star Wars saber. Look how bright that is. And we are in complete pitch black darkness in my garage. No, there's no light tricks. There's no nothing. I sit it on the floor, I walk away. This is what it looks like. This is amazing. All right, so for those of you that's looking to add a little something extra to your garments, your customized garments, t-shirts, jackets, hoodies, definitely go with this Econotransfer, the glow in the dark. All right. Now guys, the glow in the dark was dope, but for those of you that waited to the end for this special roll of vinyl that I'm gonna bring out, I thank you, and the wait was well deserved. All right, finally, can you guys see this? Can you guys see what's going on right here? Carbon fiber for my car enthusiasts. All right, now I come from a background of cars, car clubs, car communities, the whole car family. This right here is priceless. Putting carbon fiber on your clothes to match your car? Insane. Like the kids nowadays say, lit, right? So definitely something to work into your inventory, something you can charge a little more for on your garments. A shirt with carbon fiber on it, just the look alone gives the shirt value. All right. Now, what I'm going to do for you guys is some of these other specialty vinyls that came in this box, I will be doing maybe individual videos, for example, on carbon fiber, the application process, how it looks, how it performs on the garments, time, application settings, temperatures, pressures, all that good stuff. Same thing with the colored Econotransfer puff vinyls. I'll be doing videos on those. Like I said previous, I only used the white. The white was awesome, so I'm expecting the same from the colored ones as well. And oh yeah, Econotransfer's reflective vinyl. All right, I'll also be doing one on their reflective vinyl as well. So it's important that you guys tap that notification bell to stay notified when I do post these videos in the near future. Is Econotransfer a company that you think that you could be using? If you're already using them, comment below. Let me put this thing down. I mean, the whole glow in the dark saber thing got me waving the vinyl around now. But again, if you guys have used Econotransfer, whether the regular vinyls, the Econo V, or any of their specialty vinyls, whether it be the reflective, the puff, any of their specialty vinyls, or any of the materials, period, products, period. Again, comment below. Let me know and let others in the t-shirt community know how you felt about it, and maybe their products will work for you as well. So guys, if you gained any knowledge, gained any value from the content in this video, please don't forget to click that subscribe button, like this video, and click that notification bell, because I make videos like this all the time. Reviews, products, pricing, all that good stuff. As always, thanks for watching. I'm Mr. T-Shirt, signing off. Peace.